Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to create a server community on Fluxer. So first thing that you will do is of course go ahead and go to the web.fluxer.app and just simply log in into your account. And now once you are here on the home page, in order for you to create a community or a website, you just simply go ahead and go to the left side over here and you will have an option add a community or control shift n. Now over here you will have three options: either create community, join community, or import template. Go ahead and select create community over here, and now you can upload an icon or a profile picture of your community, and you can just simply provide your community name at the bottom of the screen. And once you are done providing all the requirements, click create community at the bottom right corner. And now once you have created a server, as you can see, you can just simply create another channel for your text channel. Same thing with the voice channels, and you should be able to see all of your members over here, and you can invite people on your channel as well. So pretty much this is a very basic application. I hope this video helped you out. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.